A Pakistani High Commission official was allegedly involved in planning terror attacks on consulates in India. Now, these details were revealed after the Tamil Nadu police arrested a Sri Lankan national in Chennai last month who reportedly came to India to recce US and Israeli consulates in Chennai and Bangalore. Now, the recruit during an interrogation revealed the name of a Pakistani consular official. The NIA has taken over the case and is likely to submit a dossier to officials in Colombo, which has details of the Pakistani official who allegedly masterminded this terror plot. Sandhya is joining us live on this. Sandhya, take us through more details that we are getting on this. We also understand that Indian officials are now likely to hand over the name of this suspected mastermind.
Well, that's right. The person who has been arrested in Chennai a couple of months ago is Zakir Hussain, and he has been interrogated by the Tamil Nadu, and last month the NIA has taken over the probe, in fact. And this latest information is coming based on the interrogation of Zakir Hussain. Remember, Zakir Hussain had been in touch with certain authorities in Colombo itself, and he has revealed the name of a Pakistani consular official by the name of Siddiqui. And this is not the first time this consular officer's name is in fact coming up. In 2012, Tamil Nadu police had arrested one Tamim Ansari who has also revealed the name of this consular officer, saying that he had in fact spoken to him and asked him to get details and photographs and conduct recce's of the US embassy here in Chennai as well as the Israeli consulate in Bangalore.